Hi guys, you've seen both these cars before in my charity shop gold or garbage videos. This one's a little radio controlled one and that one is a friction powered or pullback. And I was looking at them and I was thinking the wheelbase is identical. So I'm going to do a body swap. I'm going to put the radio control chassis in that one. So I'll undo the screws and see if we can fit them in. Well, this gets even better. At first glance, the 4 screw holes that hold this to this chassis are actually virtually identical to the 4 pillars here. But there's a minor little problem that if I do line it up so it's lined up with the screw holes, we're a bit of a low rider format, aren't we? A little bit lower low rider than I think I can actually get away with because the wheels don't touch the ground. So I'll pack it out a bit with something just so we can sit it in there. Probably get some foam, cut up some pizza trays or something, and then just sit it in there and run it around. I found some plastic tubing that I can squeeze over the end of the pillars in there to space it out. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut up a few of these to raise it up. Well, I can't believe my luck. Those are fitting in perfectly. I don't know if you can see them in there. What I need to do now is pop a little bit of hot glue into the end of each one so that I can put the screws in, because the insides of those tubes are much too wide for the screws to screw into. I did wonder whether I could put those drinking straws inside and screw into them, but they're still too loose. So I'll go and switch my hot glue gun on and just fill the ends of them. There, you can see them now. So I'll just fill the ends of them with hot glue, then screw the screws in to hold them in place. This isn't a permanent modification, this is just a quick body swap. Plan B, I've just thought about using some blue tack instead, just to fill the ends of these. Just jam some blue tack in there. That should give enough purchase for the screws to hold it in place, at least long enough for me to drive it around a little bit. If it doesn't work, we'll go back to plan A and put some hot glue in there. But I think that's going to grip. Get it the right way round, steering at the front. Let's see how we go. We might get a problem with the steering. I'm not sure if those wheels can turn fully. Let's have some fun. Yeah, right turn seems a bit restricted. Yeah, that works. I don't think the reverse body swap looks quite as effective, does it? Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.